Hi everyone, welcome back to London in the UK. I hope you're all surviving the lockdown in your respective countries. I thought I'd do a new video, something that isn't a Lilia for a change. This is a Polystachya, beautiful little bright thing to brighten up anyone's Easter lockdown. So this is a Polystachya pubescens, and it's an African orchid, which makes a change for my collection. I think it's the only one of two African orchids in my collection. This is a fairly cool growing orchid, which I found for me grows best mounted. Its roots, which are, you see, they're really thick, really clingy, quite amazing, only really do well for me in when mounted. I've tried growing it in a pot. It came in a pot from an orchid acquaintance. Didn't do very well, so I mounted it, and it's taken a couple of years to settle down, but I think you'll agree it's settled down quite happily now. Up until now I've only ever had one spike on this at a time. Now I have 5, as you can see. A couple are relatively small with 2 flowers on at the moment. These are from relatively young sort of back bulbs, but the others are quite remarkable. So you can see that these flowers hang, there we go, the flowers hang upside down effectively. They have their yellow is bright canary yellow with the red striping on them, which is quite beautiful. An added bonus to this plant is that it is also quite fragrant. It is filling my little room that this lives in with a beautiful sort of honeyed hand cream kind of vanilla scent. Yeah, so it's easy, relatively trouble-free, not too bothered by pests. I grow this one in a window hanging, and as you can see, it gets quite a bit of light, and hence the red sort of marbling effect on the leaves. Yeah, so once settled down, it becomes quite happy. It's got multiple growths, as you can see. So fairly robust, easy, trouble-free, pretty, fragrant grower. I can't really ask for much more than that. I would say this one has been selfed, so it would look like that selfing was taken, which is fantastic. So when these are mature, I'll ship them off to somewhere, and hopefully they can enter become more readily available in the UK as plants in a couple of years' time. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks very much. Bye.